far as the car is concerned, it's a 1978 automatic. 80% of the 928s in the world were made automatic, as it was a free option, so people decided to take that instead of the manual. The manual is actually the more desirable option, but it really unleashes the power of this car. It's basically having a 911 with a 8-cylinder. It's behind it. You know what I mean?
That's cool.
And it's the first German super. The answer to the Camaro or the Corvette or whatever you want is the first German muscle car. So
true.
It won the distinction in 1978 Supercar of the Year, which is, we say supercar today and it's like we're thinking Bugatti, Pagani or something like that. But in that time, nobody was with this. All these factors lead me to believe that we have something we have a runner here, and we soon shall see it.
Nice. All right. That's the full rundown of the 928.